back to Tech Solutions. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to create a dynamic subset using Turbointegrator process. In one of our previous tutorial, we have seen how to create a dynamic subset in a subset editor. But this is the tutorial where we will see how to use Turbointegrator process to create the dynamic subset. So let's start. Here we can use account one dimension. Let's see all these elements here. So what I have done already, I have captured the syntax of this. Either you can type it or you can record it and use it for your reference. So let me close this first and then I'll show you that I have it here. So what I have done, I'm filtering all the account one 0 level dimensions and I'm showing that as in this subset. Also, I already typed the syntax we need for subset create MDX. This is the function we are going to use in a Turbointegrator process. This is a Turbointegrator function which will help us to create this MDX or the dynamic subset. So we will see what are all the parameters, what are all the parameters needed to this function, and we will pass it accordingly. So let's start. So for this, let's see the syntax of the function first. So subset create by MDX. This has three different arguments. Number one, subname, which is the subset name which you want to create, which you want to assign to that subset. Then the MDX expression, which I told you that either you can type it or you can record it in the subset editor and you can copy that. Then the third argument is actually it's as temporary and it's optional. So either you can pass it 1 or a 0. 1 indicates a temporary subset and 0 indicates a permanent subset. And if no argument is passed to this third argument, the subset is permanent. So default is 0. Okay, so now let's start and let's create the new process. Navigate to process, right click, create process. We are going to use none as a data source, no variables, and let's go to the prologue section where we will be creating this subset using MDX, a dynamic subset using Turbointegrator process. And as you have seen already, I have this copied. So before that, let me show you that we do not have any subset here for this dimension. Now let's go back to our Turbointegrator process. Let me just resize it and keep it side by side so that we can see that while it's running. So I copied and pasted this subset create by MDX. Number 1 is the name of the subset which we want to give to that new subset, and second parameter is the MDX expression. Third one is omitted, that means it is 0 by default and it is a permanent subset. That's it. Let's save this Turbointegrator process, create dynamic subset, click OK, and let's run this TI process. Process completed successfully. As soon as it's completed, it is refreshed over here and you can see the plus sign shows that it has some subsets. Just expand it, subset, and you see sub2, and that is the name of our subset we have given here. And see the icon here, this icon tells that this subset is a dynamic subset and not a static subset. So double click OK. It's giving a warning to you that this subset was created using the expression. Modifying this subset will delete the expression and convert the subset into a static subset. So click OK, and you see this expression which we set into the Turbointegrator process passed here into the editor, and it applied to this subset, and this new subset is created using the 0 level elements of account 1 dimension. And just click OK. That's it, friends. This is how we can create a dynamic subset using Turbointegrator process. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel if you haven't done it and support us. Thank you. Keep learning.